Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will provide information about document sets. A document set, simply referred to as a doc set, is a group of related documents that can be generated in one step on the contract prep page. Both contract and notification templates can be added to a doc set. How to review document sets. Log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the main dashboard screen. On the sidebar menu, click on the Setup tab. Click on the Document Management sub-tab. And then select Document Sets. The Document Sets page will display, showing previously created document sets, if applicable. You may search for your desired document by typing in either of the name search boxes. How to create doc sets. From the Document Sets page, click on the plus sign. The Create Document Sets page will display. In Step 1, create a document set. All fields with an asterisk are required fields. Enter the document set name. Select the loan type to apply to the document set. Doc sets must be created for each loan type. Multiple loan types cannot be assigned to a single document. Select states that apply to the document set, or hit Select All. Click the green Next button. In Step 2, add documents. Put a check in the box to the left of the documents that should be included in the doc set. Note: all document versions will appear, so be sure to select the latest version of the document. If a document should be mandatory to the doc set, mark the Mandatory checkbox. For optional documents, do not select the Mandatory box. The user will have the ability to select the documents when generating the contract. Note: for clients that allow dealers to use their own contracts as an alternative to what is offered in DecisionLender, the contract should be optional. Click the Save button when completed. The document will appear on your doc set page. This doc set will need to be assigned a priority order to both mandatory and optional documents. The priority order will tell DecisionLender the order you would like the documents to appear when the contracts are generated. To set the priority order, click on the blue circle icon with 3 white lines. The Reorder Documents in Set page will appear. To change the order, click on the document name and use the drag and drop method to adjust the order the document should appear upon contract generation. The priority order numbers will not change until you click the green Update Order button. How to modify document sets. Before making any changes to the doc sets, it is recommended that you take a screenshot of the doc set to ensure that you have the required order. When replacing documents, DecisionLender will automatically update the doc set with the new version. If you need to update a document from mandatory to optional, or the reverse, you will first need to remove the document from the doc set and then add it again with the correct setting. You will also need to reorder the documents again. How to add a document to an existing doc set. From the Document Sets page, locate the doc set where the document should be added. Click the yellow plus sign to the right of the name. The Add Document To page will open. If a document should be included in the doc set, check the box to the left of the document. Make sure that you are selecting the correct version of the document if more than one version exists. If the document should be mandatory in the doc set, mark the Mandatory checkbox. Click the Save button when completed. Once documents have been saved successfully, check the priority order to ensure that the new document appears in the correct order. Click on the Reorder Documents button. Use the drag and drop method to adjust how the documents should appear upon contract generation. The priority order numbers will not change until you click the green Update Order button. How to remove a document from existing doc sets. From the Document Sets page, locate the document in the doc set that you would like to remove. Click the trash can icon to the right of the document. A dialog box will appear. Clicking Confirm will permanently delete this document. Once the document has been removed, you will need to check the priority order to ensure that documents still appear in the correct order. Reorder the documents as needed. Click on the Update Order button when completed. How to delete document sets. From the Document Sets page, locate the doc set that you would like to remove. Click the trash can icon to the right of the doc set. A dialog box will appear. Clicking Confirm will permanently delete this doc set. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.